Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best rated refrigerators you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many rated refrigerators and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each rated refrigerators so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a rated refrigerator. Start by checking the energy rating, as higher rated models consume less electricity and save money over time. Next, look at the refrigerator's capacity and storage layout to ensure it fits your household size and usage habits. Consider the type, whether it's single door, double door, or side by side, based on your kitchen space and convenience needs. Pay attention to cooling technology, as modern options offer faster and more uniform cooling performance. Also, check for additional features like inverter compressors, smart controls, and adjustable shelves to enhance usability. Don't forget to compare noise levels, maintenance requirements, and warranty coverage before making a final choice. Lastly, balance price and long-term efficiency to get the best value for your investment. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.